Welcome. Today, let's walk through the easy steps to delete a message for both the sender and recipient on the Instagram app for PC, following the newest update. If you've ever sent something you instantly regret or just need to clean up your inbox, this guide's for you. First, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram opened on your PC. You can use any web browser. Just log into your Instagram account as you normally would. Once you're in, look for the messages icon on the left sidebar of your homepage. Click it to access all your direct messages. Scroll through your conversations and find the chat that contains the message you want to delete. Inside the conversation, identify the specific message you'd like to remove. Here's where the new update makes things even simpler. Hover your mouse over that message. Don't click yet. When you hover, you'll notice 3 little dots appear next to the message. These dots are your gateway to more options. Click on the 3 dots. A small menu will pop up on your screen. From the available options, choose Unsend. Instagram will then ask for confirmation, making sure you actually want to delete this message for everyone in the chat. Go ahead and confirm your decision. With just that, the message disappears instantly, not only from your view, but also from the recipient's. Whether it was a text, a photo, or even a voice message. Once you unsend, it's like it never happened. However, remember, if the recipient already saw or read the message, Instagram can't undo that part of reality. This powerful unsend feature will work for private and group chats, giving you control over your digital conversations. So the next time you need to delete a message for both sides on Instagram from your PC, just remember these steps. Open the app. Find your conversation. Hover over your message. Click the 3 dots. Hit unsend and confirm. It's reliable, quick, and ensures your chats are fully in your control.